with the bad. Yeah, just be that.
Alright, so I get a lot of people asking me how to hook up an amplifier. This is my 2012 Silverado, and basically, sorry about the mess here, just want to pull this out. It pulls straight up. It's got some clips on it, nothing special. And right here I have the factory Bose subwoofer. It's a 6.5, and I got this off of eBay for like $13. It's a kicker line out converter. I've got my RCA's running back to the amplifier. It's a 3000 watt JBL with a 50 farad capacitor. Sorry about the box. It's a test box. I've rebuilt it like 3 different times. It's had 3 different subs in it. I'm going to build a final box, but it's a 15-inch kicker L7. I believe it's a dual 2 ohm, but the factory Bose subwoofer, you've got your wires coming out of it, and I spliced in. Let's see if I can read this here. Okay, well, it's upside down. But you got white is your left positive, white black is your left negative, gray right positive, gray black right negative. And then this brown wire is the ground wire. I've got it running up here, grounded off. But coming out of this plug here, you've got, I got this, the gray wire, which is the right positive, plugged into the green, and the left positive is plugged into the blue with the white stripe, and the left negative is plugged into the green with a black stripe, and the right negative is plugged into this light blue with a black stripe. And that's it. That's how you hook it up. Alright, so I got a 3000 watt JBL 2-channel amp, which I've got it bridged off, 50 farad power acoustic capacitor. And it's just a, it's for my amp wire. I've got it running under the seat, down, and under this track. If you pull this track up, there's a place to put your wire. I run it all the way through, and right up under here, under the dash, way up in the corner, there's a hole you can run it through. Which it just comes through right down there. It's a rubber grommet. I've got it run across the dash over to the battery.